Hey, hello everyone. How are you all? Myself Shraddha Pawar, Standard 2nd, Subject EVS. Our today's lesson name is Festival Fun. Before I start the lesson, I would like to ask you few questions. So, my first question is, do you like festivals?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Which festival do you like?
Holi.
Very good. Holi. So, today we will learn about some festivals. Different festivals are celebrated in our country. We enjoy celebrating all festivals and have lots of fun. We clean and decorate our houses and the surrounding areas for all the festivals. We wear new clothes and visit our friends and relatives. Festivals bring happiness in our life. So, let us start with first festival. Gudi Padwa. The people of Maharashtra celebrate this day as New Year. On this day, goodies are hung outside the houses. The goody is covered with a colorful silk cloth and decorated with flowers and mango leaves. New activities are started on this day. On this day, paste of neem leaves, cumin seeds, jaggery and salt is eaten. As we put neem leaves in the paste, neem leaves are believed to purify the body and protect it against the diseases. Hence, we start the new year on a healthy note. Okay students, can you see different colors on your screen? Yes, here are many colors like orange, light blue, dark pink, dark blue, dark green, golden color, red color, light green and light pink color. Did you get any idea about which festival we are going to learn now?
Is it Holi?
Yes, my dear. It is Holi. It is Holi. Can you see these wonderful colors on your screen? Yes. Holi is the festival of colors. This festival brings joy and happiness in our life. On this day, dry cow dung cakes are set on fire. A sweet dish, Puran Poli, is prepared on this day. Do you know about Puran Poli? Okay, now I will explain what is meant by Puran Poli. Puranpoli is a Marathi dish which is eaten during special moment and during important festivals. Even it looks like a roti, but it is sweet. Did you all understood what is Puranpoli? Everybody play with different colors and colored water from Pichkari. Now the next festival we are going to see is Gokulashtami. Gokulashtami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Krishna. People pray to Lord Krishna on this day. In Maharashtra, the dahi handi means an earthen pot with curd is hung on a thick rope at a great height in most of the streets. Then they go from street to street and break the dahi handi, and they are sing a song. Anybody know which song they sing?
Yes, teacher. I know that song.
Okay, dear. Can you sing that song?
गोविंदा आला रे आला जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला गोविंदा आला रे आला जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज बाला अरे 1 2 3 4 मुंबईची पोरं हुशार.
Great. Understood which song they sing? Now our next festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi or Ganeshotsav is celebrated for 11 days. Many people bring the idol of Lord Ganesh to their houses. During this festival, people mostly say Ganpati Bappa Moria. Idol means statue. Beautiful Ganesh idols are brought home. Understood? Ganeshji's favorite sweet, the modak, is distributed to all. Everyone like to eat modak, no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, that I know. I also like to eat modak. So yummy. Ganeshotsav is also celebrated on a large scale in public. Many people go to pray to Lord Ganesh. Now our next festival is Eid. The festival of Ramzan, Eid, is celebrated by the Muslim people. They fast for the full month of Ramzan and celebrate Eid on the last day of the month when they see the moon. They pray in mosque after the namaz. Namaz means the prayer done by Muslims and wish each other Eid Mubarak. And at last, the special attraction of this day is Shir Khurma. Now our next festival is Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh religion. Founder means a person who found something. Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikh religion. The Sikhs celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti, which is Guru Nanak's birth anniversary. They pray in Gurudwaras. Now next, who will tell me which is the festival of lights?
Diwali.
Yes, Diwali is the festival of lights. It is celebrated for 5 days. People decorated their houses with lights and draw rangolis in front of their homes. Diwali lamp or lantern. Lantern means Diwali lamp of different colors are hung outside the house. People share sweets and snacks with each other, such as laddu, shankarpali, namkeen, chivra, chakli, etc. The next day, there is a Lakshmi Pujan. On this day, people do puja of Mahalakshmi. The last day is Bhau Beej. On this day, the sister prays for the long life of her brother. Children burst crackers. Everywhere there is lot of joy. My dear students, tell me, which picture is this? Who is he?
Santa Claus.
Yes, he is Santa Claus. In which festival he comes?
Christmas.
Yes, on Christmas. Now our next festival is Christmas. Jesus Christ founded Christian religion. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December. Christmas is celebrated as the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. Many people, many Christians go to church. Church means where the Christians pray. During Christmas, many people light up and decorate their houses with decorative materials. And most important of all, a Christmas tree. It is under this Christmas tree that Santa Claus leaves gifts for children. The special dish of this day is plum cake. Children like to eat plum cake. Now students, let us listen a song regarding the Christmas festival.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells on bobtail ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I hope, students, you all are enjoying this song. Come on, it's time for your homework. First question is filling the blanks. Second question is answer the following questions. Third question is find the names of the festival from the word grid. Understood, my dear students? Did you understood all the information that I shared now? Okay, I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you.